Contrary to what the gurus are telling you about boosting on Facebook, guys, you should be careful with who you listen to and who you absorb information from. Because boosting on Facebook is not bad. All right? It's not. Let us get into it. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today we'll be talking about Facebook boosting, and I will be showing you quickly a very quick tutorial on how I go ahead boosting on Facebook. Okay, so as I said before when I started the video, boosting is not bad. When basically boosting and running an ad on Facebook is basically the same thing. It's just that boosting is much easier to get your ad up and running as opposed to going into the ads manager and doing all this thing. Personally, to me, the ad manager is very complicated. It is very, very complicated, and I try to avoid anything complicated. I'm a married woman. I have 2 kids that is very active in athletics, and I run 2 businesses. So honestly, anything that is complicated and need a lot of time to focus, I tend to sort of stay away from that. All right. And I also do all the house cleaning and tralala, right? So it's very difficult for me to, sit down and constantly focus on Facebook and monitor ads and so forth. I quickly would boost my normal posts on Facebook, and I will get a lot of returns. When I mean a lot of returns are very good on Facebook. Okay, so I know persons who actually only boost, right, just like me, and they make a pretty good living just by boosting. Okay, and remember, this business, which is my jewelry business, is my bread and butter. So, or one of my bread and butter, I should say. So basically, I don't like the fact to put money out there and not get anything back from it. Okay, and it is cost effective for me to boost as a small business. Here's why. $1 is equivalent to 2.71 EC in my currency. Okay, to run an ad is the lowest you can spend is $5. So you do the math. Okay, so, and not only that, the targeting, it doesn't make sense to do much targeting in my country because we only have 100,000 persons living here, and we have 100,000 persons living here, but we have less persons on Facebook. It's around probably 60 or 70,000 persons, no more than 70,000 persons using Facebook here. So if I were to narrow down and target and zone in by, this specification, that specification, I may not get any sales. I usually go broad. So as I was saying, yes, if you're in a small town, a small country, then, and you have the money to spend, and don't have a lot of money to spend, sorry, then boost. Okay, boost your posts. And of course, post boosting has, you can actually niche down a bit, not as much as the ads manager, not as much as when you're creating ads in ads manager. Okay, but you can niche down a bit. But if you're in the US and you have the money to spend and you want your products to reach a wide audience, or you want your services to get in the face of more people, and you have the money, as I said before, then you can do a targeted ad to persons that will fit within your target criteria. Okay, so basically, boosting, I will not say don't boost, and I will not tell persons they shouldn't advertise, run ads in the ad manager, and they should boost. Okay, basically you can try both. Feel free to try both and see what works. However, If a product or service is not selling organically, I will not encourage persons to boost or run ad on that. It will just not sell, right? Basically, when I run ads, I ensure that I have something catchy. So apart from the product, I think you need to create some sort of promotion behind whatever you're putting out there, right? So if you're a service and you have this particular service, you need to have an offer. If you have a product, you need to have an offer. Do not just put your products out there and expect persons to just, we are humans. I think everyone is looking for a great deal. I think most people are drawn to a good deal, even though they want something, right? As long as you have a special promotion or deal, these kind of words, it will just be like, wake up, this is for me. Okay. So I was saying all this to say, when you run a promotion, just ensure when you run an ad or boost a post, ensure that you have, the people's needs at heart, right? And most persons would want a little deal. Who doesn't want a deal? Okay, so just keep that in mind, right? So just keep that in mind. Okay, so let us now go into the video, and I will show you how I create but before we go into the video, guys, please like and subscribe. I actually take a lot of time to create this, so like and subscribe my video, like and subscribe to my video, and also hit the bell button, right? So I can continue bringing really good videos like this to you. Okay, so let's get on with the video. On Facebook. Okay, so basically what I do first is simply post first you have to create a post, and you go to the Facebook page where you would like to have the ad run, right, into your Meta Business Suite, of course, and you go to create a post. So you can go to create a post, whether it's on your Facebook page directly or anywhere. Just go to create a post, and you add video or photo, whatever you like to do, whatever you like to boost. But in this case, I will add a video because videos actually get more reach and attention on social media. So let us post the video. So we go and get our video and post it. So, and of course, you will want to add some sort of catchy text right here. And I normally boost both on Facebook and Instagram, but I think I will just stick with Facebook. I don't get much reach or attention or action, anything like that from Instagram. Alright guys, so I have my script. I'm going to ignore this because what Grammarly is suggesting really doesn't make sense. So I will ignore this. Not all the suggestions I will take. Alright, so this basically is my script, and I add this little emoji here. I like to add my emoji. I get attention, love, heart kind of thing. Okay, so I like my emoji. So, okay, the preview is giving me trouble now. Okay, so basically this is my ad preview, and I am okay with it. So what I will do is publish now. We can publish now, schedule, or save as draft. I like to publish now. Okay guys, so I will edit the post here to put ask to see full collection if you are interested. In your case, you can put a website link, but in where I'm from here in Grenada, we really don't, you know, persons, they hardly buy online. Yeah, they are not trusting like that. So you're gonna WhatsApp. I'm gonna put my number, and I'll pause the video, enter my number, and just get back to the boosting. Okay. Okay guys, so I've made the changes and I'm back to the page right now. So what I will do is simply click on the boost button at the bottom right here. Right, so it will lead us to this page. So basically what we'll do, basically this is where the magic happens. Anyway, so basically you click on, I like to change this. I do not like to just leave it up to Facebook to do whatever. So I will change this here and select, what do I do? You can select website. If you have a website link, you can put a website link there. Get more leads, call. I like to select on messages, and I will show you why. Okay, so add a special ad category. So guys, if you're involved in like government stuff, politics, real estate, and all these, you fall into this criteria here, financial, advertising, and whatnot, then you have to select this button. Okay, you can select on click on learn more if you want to find out. But if you're simply doing product based like me and service based and so forth, then you can easily move on. So here I do not, so in the messaging apps, I want to remove Messenger and Instagram. I usually like to just leave WhatsApp as the only selection. Guys, there are several videos where I spoke about how WhatsApp has helped me, so I like to leave WhatsApp. The smart audience, well, moving on to audience, smart audience, I do not leave that, right? So what I normally do, you can change that to fit whatever demographic you like to choose, or you can choose a country, but oh, they have made some improvements to add delivery. Okay, so audience will be broad. Okay, so what I normally like to do is people you choose through targeting. All right, so I already have my audience here selected, which is my country, and I don't really make any changes. You can click on it. I don't make any changes here, right? I like to leave it broad, 18 to 65, and everything else remains the same. It's Grenada, but it's a tri-island state. We have 3 other islands associated or attached to us, and everything will fall under Grenada. Okay, so that will remain the same. I do not change that at all. Then I go to the selection and duration. Sorry, schedule and duration. What is wrong with me today? Schedule and duration. So basically it's the first of the month, so I will select, let's leave it for probably 15 days or so of the month. Okay guys, so I will probably run this up until the 17th. You know what, let me just go to the 31st. And I will not put a big budget on this. I will stick to $31 because it's 31 days. Okay. And see how the ad is going. If I'm not making any sales, then I will just cancel it. Simple and easy like that. Okay. So if you set up a pixel, you can select your pixel, but in my case, I don't have a website. Well, I don't have a website. My website is not organized as yet, so I cannot, I don't have a pixel set up. Then we are going into the payment section. I will have to blur that out. Of course, the payment section remains the same. And I think everything here looks great. Right? If you have to, I forgot to mention that if you have to create a new audience, it's like create new right here, and you create a new audience. Basically, in order to run an ad, the lowest they accept is $1 a day, as you can see here. All right. And I think we can boost the posts now. I think everything is up to par. We can look at our sample ad right here. We have the WhatsApp button, and this is a magic button. And this is a magic button. It will lead persons to us so that we can make sales. Okay. And we can boost this now. This screen will show up and it will show you that your ad is being created. All right. Okay, guys. So basically, this is how you boost your ads in a nutshell. So you will go over to ads here and click on ads. Then I like to go into all ads. Okay, so you go into ads and you'll see all the ads that you ran in the past. The one that you just set up, it will show in review. So Facebook will review the ad and it will, run the ad when it's done. So basically, that's how you boost a post on Facebook in a nutshell. Okay, so I hope all this information that you received was useful today. And if it was, please let me know below that it was useful or not, right? I am open to criticism. And also, I want, after creating this ad, after creating this boost, I instantly got at least 2 messages, right, where a person saw it and they were interested. Okay, so if you want to know how you can actually create ads, right, that will draw attention and also that will get persons to respond to you quickly, just look at this video right here.